What's up, guys? I'm Durock Shark, and this is my 2021 Chevy Spark. I know I said I wasn't going to do any videos on it, but this perplexed me for a while, and after some conversations with people on Reddit, I figured out how to do this. Since there doesn't seem to be anything really clear how to do it, we're going to film it. What am I doing? This wiper blade. It's a real pain in the ass to try and get that thing loose. Sorry about all the noise, by the way. It's kind of busy on the street, but whatever. Anyway, we have the new wiper blade right here. It's a genuine GM. So let's get this thing on. All right, I don't know how well you're seeing this. I hope I'm getting this. Yeah, okay. Don't know if it's in focus or not. We'll find out. So, the instructions all say, lift the arm away and then pull on the blade. Well, there's no room to do that. You see it's hitting the glass, and this is as far as it goes out. But what I've learned is you pull it away and you grab this end, you hold it here, okay, you're holding this part of the arm, and you grab this and you push it towards the glass. Ta-da! That's it. That's how you get this thing out. Wow, that was way easier than I thought it would be. Way easier than it looked. I took this off. I was actually about ready to pull the arm out. So let's get the new one. All this packaging for one little itty bitty wiper blade. There we go. Pop that in. That's it. Done. Shit. Way too easy. Well, that's it for this video. Why do they make these this way? Come on. The regular hooks have been around for a zillion years and they work just fine. Use those. Anyway, sorry I don't have any bug content yet. Still waiting on insurance to pull their heads out of their asses. So this is what you get. All right, guys, you know what to do. At the down there below, click that subscribe button. Click like, comment, tell me, duh, why didn't anybody else show you that? How did you not figure it out? Whatever. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.